Welcome to Science Tree channel, and today's topic is pollutants. It's all about the wastes in air, land and soil. So let's study about it. So what is pollutant? A pollutant is a waste material that pollute air, water or soil. Three factors determine the severity of pollutants, in which number one is its chemical nature. Chemical nature means that from which compounds the pollutant is made up of. While the second is concentration, means that in how much amount the pollutants are releasing in air, water or soil. And the last one is persistence. The word persistence means its life period. For how much time it gonna be sustained in water, air or soil. So these three things will gonna decide that how much severe the pollutant is. Now here the question arises that from where these pollutants come into the air. So these pollutants are being created and discharged to the environment by human activities. They make the environment harmful for life. Now there is two words, pollutants and contaminants. Pollutants are those substances which cause pollution, and the contaminants are those substances that make something impure. Like if I talk about contaminants, we can check the purity of any substance, any food article which we're gonna be eat with the help of thing that whether contaminants are present in it or not. For example, ghee, vegetable oil are present or made up with the pure ingredients or something contaminated present in it. So, the contaminants are the substances which make things impure. Pollutants are those substances which are the cause of pollution. Okay? Now the most important one is air pollutants. We breathe in air, so it should be purified. And what are the things which we have to do to make our environment, to make our air more better to breathe? Yes, definitely by planting the trees. So go ahead and plant a tree. After that, the harmful substances present in air are called air pollutants. Even a beneficial substance beyond a specific concentration may be harmful. How? Yes, it can change the weather, badly affect the human health, it can damage the plants and also destroy the buildings. So even the substances which are required by us should be present in specific amounts. For example, carbon dioxide. How much amount of carbon dioxide we need to breathe? It's just about 0.03%. But due to human activities, due to vehicles, due to factories, the amount of carbon dioxide is increasing day by day. And that's why the earth is getting hotter. Now the air pollutants are classified as primary pollutants and secondary pollutants. Let's discuss them one by one. Now this is the wonderful slideshow of primary and secondary pollutants. Primary pollutants are the pollutants which we get directly from different resources like carbon monoxide from aeroplanes. And the volcanoes are the cause of ammonia. Agriculture gives us volatile organic compounds. Factories, vehicle exhausts, towns and homes are also giving volatile organic compounds. And the secondary pollutants are those pollutants which formed from the primary pollutants, like sulfur trioxide, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, hydrogen peroxide, ozone, ammonium, and the other particulates. So let's discuss them. So simply, primary pollutants are the waste of exhaust products driven out because of combination of fossil fuels and organic matter. These are oxides of sulfur and the oxides of carbon and oxides of nitrogen, like sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and nitric oxide. Other than that, hydrocarbon, ammonia, and compounds of fluorine. So all are primary pollutants, the major cause of pollution. Now the secondary pollutants are produced by various reactions of primary pollutants. So by controlling primary pollutants, we can also control secondary pollutants. These are sulfuric acid, most of them are acids, carbonic acid, nitric acid, hydrofluoric acid, ozone, and peroxyacetyl nitrate. So all these are secondary pollutants. Now what are the causes of air pollutants? Sources. Atmosphere consists of 99% of nitrogen and oxygen, although other gases are minor constituents. They can have major effects on our environment. These minor constituents are safe up to a concentration limit. Now here we will come to know that how and from where we are getting oxides of carbon, carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Both of these gases are emitted due to volcanic eruption and decomposition of organic matter naturally. The major source for the emission of these gases is the combustion of fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Fossil fuels burnt in combustion engine of any type of automobile, kiln of any industry, or open air fires emits carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. So by this slide you come to know that why and how carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide is increasing day by day. And this is the primary pollutant, which are the causes of secondary pollutants. So don't you think that we have to control it to save our earth? Now here one thing more. Forest fires and burning of wood also emit carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, especially when supply of oxygen is limited. Emission of carbon monoxide dominates. So in this way, with the day by day increasing amount of carbon dioxide, the earth is getting hotter. It's all about primary pollutants and secondary pollutants. Thank you so much. For more videos, keep watching. Have a great day.